Auto repair has been deemed an essential business by the Department of Homeland Security. At Evergreen Subaru, we know we have an important responsibility, not only to ensure that our customers' cars are safe and reliable, but also to make sure we perform that work as safely and professionally as possible. Some ways that we are doing that include closing our service drive-through lane to increase social distancing space. Masks are worn by all staff and available for customers. Our indoor waiting room is closed, but customers have a variety of options to choose as they wait for their car. Relax in a freshly disinfected, climate-controlled loaner car while you wait. If the weather is nice, we have distanced outdoor seating available. Or just take a disinfected loaner car home with you until your car is ready. Our top-notch technicians are even providing critical recall services to customers right in their own driveways, while following safety and cleanliness precautions. As an essential service, we're here for you, and we're listening. Let us know if there's anything more we can do to enhance your comfort and peace of mind while servicing your car. All of us at Evergreen Subaru wish you and your family the very best in these challenging times.